Sit that right there, right there, right there. What's good? Yeah, y'all see that? Y'all see that? The little meep meep squad. My name's Toon.
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
What you looking at, Willis? Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Toon Dollars. And right now I'm in the lab, and it's about 30 degrees here in Philadelphia, PA. It's winter time. And yesterday I just did a fresh rebuild on the 2014 Genuine Roughhouse 50. If you've been with me on the channel, you guys remember when it broke down. At 4,109 miles, I have yet to put a single mile on it. I just want to do a little cold start, maybe 30 to 45 seconds. I will be making a disclaimer. Do not try this in a closed environment. I repeat, do not try this in a closed environment. I'm a paid professional. No, but seriously, I'm gonna put on a ventilation fan just to get out all the carbon monoxide exhaust after. Hence the only reason why I'm doing it for 30, maybe 45 seconds, at least so you guys can hear it, turn on, and get the update. Let's go. Sit that right there, right there, right there. What's good? Yeah, y'all see that? Y'all see that? The little meep meep squad. Alright, so let me take the key out so y'all can see the key. Well, I think the battery's gone. I think the battery's gone because it's cold. So let me give it one kick to see if it turns over. There you go. Yeah, so the scooter ain't even broken in yet. I definitely want to break it in properly in the springtime when it gets warmer. I'm not going to bring it out yet. It's bad for the carb. It's bad for just the whole operation of the scooter. It's a two-stroke, two-smoker. You know what I mean? But I figured I'd give you a little update. I went through a hassle and a headache. You guys don't even want to know. But I did do the rebuild myself. Split it in half. And now she's together again. Me and her are going to be united soon. You see my beautiful, luxurious hair? I'll catch y'all later. Stay tuned for the next video. Yak. You know what that means. You already know, dog. They're like, yak. What are you talking about, yak?